Maybe you have bought a second-hand phone from eBay or any online platform, and after get the phone on your hand you realize there have a screen lock, and after too many fail attempts it will be disabled or unavailable to use. But no worry, I am going to walk you through exactly how to unlock the screen lock in just a few clicks. So let's do it. So first you have to visit this website and the link is given in the description, and this is the most powerful and reliable software to unlock your iPhone and Android screen lock. So directly came to this page and click try it free. And after click there, the software automatically download from your computer and then install it. I already completed the download and installation process, so I back from here and then directly open the software. Okay, so after open the software, if you click the toolbox option, then you can see the same interface as like me, and there have lot of option to do. But now we are going to see the screen unlocking option. So there have lot of function also. So we click here. Now you have to choose your phone is Android or iOS. So my phone is iPhone, so I click the iOS option, and then there have lot of feature. You can unlock your screen lock, you can bypass iCloud, you can bypass MDM, many and more. For today we try unlock iOS screen and then click the start button. And now you have to connect your phone on recovery mode, and from iPhone 8 to upper model you have to follow this method, and the right side you can see the old model iPhone 7 or 6 how to enter recovery mode. So today we try with iPhone X, so we just follow this method. So now you see my phone and I have to connect the USB cable first with computer, and then there is instruction is you have to press volume up, down, and then press and hold the power button until the phone goes to recovery mode. So you have to do it quickly. First press volume up, down, and then keep and hold the power button like me. If you just follow my hand and do the same, then the phone will be automatically goes to the recovery mode, and then you can see the next process. So wait a moment, it's take 30 to 40 seconds to enter properly. Okay, so the phone is connected and tool is detect already, and there you can see the start button. So if you simply click the start button, so the firmware automatically download and start removing the passcode. But if your internet connection is not good enough, then you can try the manual process. So below you can see the download button. So if you click this download button, so the latest IPSW firmware download automatically on your browser. So this is the latest iOS version. If you click the download option, so it's start downloading, and I already complete the download process. Now I select the firmware. Below the download button you can see the select option. Click here and simply just choose the firmware what you recently downloaded from here, and now it start verifying. It takes some time, and after verify complete you can see the unlocking button and click the unlock button and it will start unlocking. So wait a moment, it's verifying. Okay, so now you click unlock now, and there you see you have to put 000060 and then unlock. Okay, so now you have to just wait and see until your phone is totally unlocked. So everything is now doing automatically from the tool, so you just wait and see until it's complete. Alright, so after 8 minutes later, the tool is showing lock screen has been removed completely, and our phone is now restoring, and then it will start the setup menu. So yeah, it's showing hello, and now we have to simply complete the setup process. So select the language and then country, and I think everybody can understand how to set up iPhone. If you don't understand, no worry, just do with me. So now I connect Wi-Fi, and after connect Wi-Fi, someone maybe face the iCloud screen lock also. So if you face the iCloud lock issue, then you can use the same software, Dr.Fone Screen Unlocker. So it can help you to bypass the iCloud also. So this phone have no iCloud, so I just simply set up, and we are almost close to set up. And yeah, the menu is comes and everything works perfect. If you go to setting, then you can see you can log in your new iCloud option. So with a simple process, this tool can make your phone ready to use, and this tool have more feature. Now I just simply share some feature with you. Like if you click the system repair option, then you have same option iPhone and Android. If you click the iPhone option, there have lot of option, like if your phone is break, if your phone is need to upgrade, and if your phone have reset problem, like it's not reset or hang on recovery mode, so you can try this software. Also, if you want to transfer your WhatsApp between Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android, you can use their tool. It's very easy process. You can back up your WhatsApp message, then transfer, or you can directly connect both of the phone together and transfer the message easily. So they have lot of functionality. I just recommend you check the description box and directly go to their website and download the tool and enjoy all the feature. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tata.